I'm sure that you are tired of sickness blowing you here and there, from malaria to typhoid to cough to catarrh. This Zobo drink, hibiscus flower drink, is literally for you. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, best channel in the world. Welcome back to Phayte Effects. So, ladies and gentlemen, you people know that I don't used to hide updates. So guys, I am here to bring something to your table. I am sure that at this point in your life, you are tired of juggling and treating different sickness. I'm sure that you are tired of sickness blowing you here and there, and you'll be treating for malaria, from malaria to typhoid to cough to catarrh to fever. In fact, before any disease or any small flu enters the society, it has come to meet you first. Guys, this Zobo drink, hibiscus flower drink, is literally for you. So the English name is hibiscus tea, but we Nigerians, or we West Africans, I don't know if other Africans call it by that name, but me, I'm a Nigerian, and we Nigerians actually call it Zobo. Now, in this part of the world, we do not joke with this Zobo drink, and I think over the years it has actually helped us as a people. But today I just want to emphasize, on the benefits. I want to tell you guys the benefits of this Zobo drink so that we will not play with it, because I was actually one of those people that will treat for cough today, and the next day they're treating for cold. After that, I'm treating for fever. After that, I'm treating for malaria. I treat for malaria today, treat for malaria again tomorrow, treat for typhoid again. I now said, what is it? I had to call my doctor. I had to do my research. I had to go to ChatGPT, and my doctor said, calm down. First of all, this could be due to weak immune system, and how you can boost your immune system is taking more of vitamin C, which this our Zobo drink is very rich in. So in this video, I am going to be teaching you how to make your Zobo drink at home in the healthiest way possible, and you can actually buy literally all these ingredients with less than 5,000 naira. In fact, 5,000 naira is even too much. Ever since I started taking this Zobo drink regularly, I literally take it every day. I have it in my fridge. I can show you guys right now. I have it in bottles. You guys are going to see the bottles later in this video. I have it, so I just drink it, and since then I have not felt any type of way. I know that God is healing me, but sometimes you still have to take care of yourself. So if you guys know that you're ready for this video, you're ready to learn how to make Zobo drink, you're ready to hear the ingredients that I'm going to be using for my personal Zobo drink at home, and if you also want to hear the benefits and go into how to literally prepare it, then please do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, do not forget to drop a comment in the comment section. Tell me how you prepare your Zobo drink / hibiscus tea in your home, and tell me if you've actually tried Zobo drink before, or if this is the first time that you are hearing about it. Go ahead and tell me in the comment section. And also, do not forget to turn on your post notification. This gives you the power to know when Phayte Effects actually drops a new YouTube video every week. Over here in this YouTube channel, we drop videos every week in the name of Jesus. I am literally trying my best to drop videos every week, and you do not want to miss any video, because every single video is a banger. So with no further talk, let's jump straight into today's video, and let us go straight to the benefits of hibiscus tea / Zobo. Okay guys, so the first and obvious benefit is it actually boosts your immune system, which I've told you guys before. But two, it supports healthy blood pressure. So drinking Zobo can actually reduce your blood pressure if you use it with low sugar. Number three, it is good for your blood. Because of the iron in this our Zobo drink, it actually helps with gaining more blood in your body. Number four is it helps with weight management. I mean, look at me. Look at me, people should tell me that I'm not in shape because I've been taking it regularly. Number five is it aids in digestion. It can help with constipation and bloating in your stomach. Number six, it flushes out toxins in your body. It can be used to cleanse, all the toxins in your body because of the antioxidants and because of all the properties that are in this Zobo drink. Number seven is good for your skin. I mean, if you see me glowing outside, just know that it is this Zobo drink that I have been drinking for weeks now that has helped me glow. And last but not the least, it is actually good for hair growth. So there are some things that you can take that will actually help and boost your hair. I've actually seen some videos online on people actually using Zobo on their hair. I'm sure they will not add sugar because but they use Zobo drink on their hair to actually grow their hair. You people know me on this YouTube channel, so maybe that will be the next video. Watch out. Or I'm just going to do it anyway, using the hibiscus flower on my hair and seeing if it actually boosts my hair, seeing if it grows. We'll just do like a little review on that in another video, so make sure you turn on your post notification. Now it's time for us to talk on the ingredients that we're going to use. So you can just save this particular part in the video, so that when you're going to the market, you can just tell them that she said Phayte Effects said this, and to just be easy for you. So now for this Zobo drink, you're going to need hibiscus ginger, pineapple, cinnamon, cloves, oranges, and sugar. Okay, so for the sugar, it is actually optional. Some people do not like sugar in their hibiscus tea, which is fine, but some people like, maybe they can add honey. And some other people, I heard some people actually use these dates. I'm going to be flashing pictures in the screen so that you guys can understand what I'm talking about. So some people actually use date syrup. So some people use honey. But for this video, I'm going to be using sugar because I just like sugar. But if you maybe you're diabetic, you can use honey, you can use date syrup. You don't have to use sugar for it. So guys, now that we are done, I mean, we've literally been talking about Zobo. So it is time for us to actually learn how to make this drink. I'm really excited to show my recipe to you guys, and you guys in the comment section, please engage in comment section and actually tell me what you think. So with enough said, let's get cooking. I don't even know, is this really cooking? Let's get Zobo.
Okay guys, so it is finally time to learn how to make our Zobo drink. So right now I am putting 3 cups of the hibiscus flower into my bowl, and this is just a little rishi. So now I'm rinsing it with clean water, and I'm not going to over rinse it because I don't want to remove all the nutrients from our Zobo flower. But because I got it from the market, so they can be dust in it, they can be sand, they can just be a lot of things. So rinsing it at least twice can actually just help remove all that dust and all that dirt from the hibiscus flower. As I said before, you don't want to overdo this because if you do, it can just remove all the nutrients from the hibiscus flower. Now I have my clean pot. I have not turned on my gas or anything, but I'm just transferring the hibiscus flower that I rinsed into the pot. And this pot, you're going to be seeing it a lot because we're going to add a lot of things. Now guys, this is my ripe pineapple. This is how it looks, and in fact I just really love ripe pineapples. I don't know why. I know my salt is in the Bama container. I'm in Nigeria, I beg. So now I am going to be rinsing my pineapple with salt and water, and this is to literally just remove all the dirt from my pineapple. You do not want to put your pineapple like that on the fire with all the sand and everything. You don't want people to be drinking sound when they are drinking your zobo. So it is best that you actually rinse it with salt and water. So now I'm just going to be peeling the back of my pineapple, because that is literally the main ingredient, or one of the main ingredients, that will make up our zobo tea today, or our zobo drink, anyone want to call it. So now you want to make sure that your workspace is very, very neat, because this is something that we are going to be drinking. This is something we are going to be putting in our body. So you want to make sure everything is neat. The knife you're using, the what do you call it, the chopping board, everything is clean and everything is well washed. So now that I've peeled off the pineapple, I am cutting the pineapple into smaller bits, because I actually want to juice it to add it to my zobo later. So right now I am taking the back of the pineapple, the one that we cut earlier, and I'm just going to be putting it into our pot. You guys remember that I said we'll be seeing a lot of this pot? Yes. So now this is my cinnamon and this is my cloves. So I just put 2 sticks of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon or normal spoon of cloves, and these are really, really good because they serve as antioxidants, and they can also help with reducing inflammation and long-term sicknesses in the body. So now guys, this is my orange. So I'm actually using ripe orange for this, because it is rich in vitamin C. We're talking about how zobo is rich in vitamin C and iron and antioxidants. Guys, when you add things like pineapple and oranges into your zobo, it literally just boosts it, and in fact you are not even ready. So guys, I chopped my oranges into smaller bits, but some people actually juice their oranges instead of putting the back into their tea, into their hibiscus tea. So it kind of depends on which one you actually want to do, but this is how I do mine. But sometimes I do actually juice the oranges inside. So right now guys, this is what it is looking like. Yes, it looks so good, but I think it's missing something. Do you guys think it's missing something? Can you remember the ingredients that we said? Does this look complete to you, or it still needs something in it? So for the people that guessed right, yes, it is missing ginger. So now for my ginger, I do it in 2 ways. So sometimes I might just cut it into smaller bits like I am doing right now in the video, or I could just grate it or pound it. So I think the grating and pounding is kind of more effective, but for this video I just decided to cut it into smaller bits, and after I am done, I will just be adding it into my tea. Now there are some people that actually like garlic, so you can also add garlic into yours, but I'm not really a garlic person, so we're gonna skip that. Okay, so now I am adding my bottle of water. So now you want to make sure that the water you are using is also clean and there are no particles in it. You don't want to use dirty water to make your hibiscus tea, your zobo, because why? I know that you're going to say, okay, it's going to boil and everything, but it is still just preferable that you use clean water to make your zobo. If you have pure water, you can actually use your sachet water, your pure water, and so on and so forth, really. But please make sure you use clean water when you are making your zobo. So I know that it looks like a lot of water, but because I actually added 3 cups of hibiscus flower, I do not want my zobo to be very thick, and even as I added this amount of bottled water into my zobo, you will still find out that it will still be thick. I'll still have to dilute it later. So that's why I always make sure that I use this particular pot and I make sure that I full it, so that by the time it is boiled, by the time everything has come together, I will not have to dilute it again, and it will just be right, the exact way that I want. But if you want your own to be very, very thick, then you can actually reduce the amount of bottled waters that you add, but I assure you that later on it will be thick, so you have to put that in mind when you are putting your water. So you want to make sure you boil your zobo for at least 30 to 45 minutes. I actually left mine for 45 minutes because I wanted all the flavor to come out. I wanted to really use my ingredients very well though. So I wanted the hibiscus flower to bring out its nutrients, the vitamin C, the cinnamon, and the cloves. After boiling, I allowed it to cool down, and then I pulled up this my cheesecloth. I'm sure my OGs on this channel already know this my cheesecloth, and I'm going to be using this to sieve out our Zobo drink. So now you do not want to be drinking it and clove will just enter your throat, or cinnamon will enter your throat, or a pineapple peel will enter your throat. So you want to make sure you sieve it out with a cheesecloth. This actually makes it very easy, and as you can see, my workspace is very neat. So guys, this is what is left from our Zobo combination, and yes, some spilled on the floor, but I made sure to clean it. And now guys, this is my pineapple juice, you know, the pineapple that was cutting in bits that I told you guys about. So I actually juiced it, and that is what I added into my Zobo. So now I told you guys that I'm going to be using sugar as my sweetener. Because this is literally a bucket of Zobo, I added 1 cup of sugar because I did not really want a lot of sugar in mine. So now if you are going to use honey, or if you're going to use that date syrup, you can just leave your Zobo bare, and then when you actually want to drink it, you can now put honey to your desired taste. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, mommy and daddies, aunties and uncles, this is literally our Zobo, guys. Everybody was already waiting for their own, and this is the only way fight will not break out in my house, because everybody will just know that okay, I have 1 bottle of Zobo, I have 2 bottles of Zobo or something. So guys, yeah, this is literally my Zobo drink, and the best way to enjoy this Zobo is chilling it. You want to make sure you put it in the fridge. You can actually drink it hot if you want to, but I actually prefer mine chilled. So after all the work comes relaxing and watching my favorite series on YouTube, which is The Lockdown. So The Lockdown is a new series on YouTube. It's a Shalom Chiki film, and guys, it is the combination of drama and chaos. So after you finish watching this video, please make sure you check it out, and please do not forget to drink your Zobo while you watch The Lockdown. So it was the next morning, and I actually made sure I drank that by Zobo first thing in the morning to just give me that glowing skin, as you can see.
So guys, tell me in the comment section what you actually think about my Zobo recipe. Would you be trying it at home? Would you be making it for your family? Have I been able to convince you watching this video that Zobo drink is actually what you need for you and your family to boost your immune system and stop that series of sickness from 1 cough, catarrh, fever, malaria, typhoid? Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for engaging. Thank you so much for sticking around to this point of this video. I'm sure you're wondering why I'm wearing my Nigerian jersey. I'm repping Nigeria today because Nigeria is playing against Rwanda. I don't even know who is scoring at this point, but I'm sure by now the match should have finished. So I'm going to check the score after this video. Thank God I did not watch the match. Let me not be heartbroken. So yeah, anyway guys, please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms: Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and also do not forget to share this video to your friends and your family so that they too can actually boost their immune system and help themselves today. I will see you guys next time on my YouTube video. Mwah! Bye guys, I love you. Bye.